Warning, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Everyone, I'm right here. It's my first National Girlfriend's Day having a boyfriend, and this is how I'm spending it, if you were wondering. It's cool, I guess.
This is how you spending it, babe?
Yeah.
National Girlfriend's Day. Going to a Pete.
Yeah.
You're such a dog.
Wow, man.
Bro. Oh, yo.
A few moments later.
Hey, you can go around and record everybody. You gotta use a bitch. Oh, yo. Say it again. Use a bitch. Turbo. Fuck you.
Wow, man. Damn.
How you feel? Is you ready to get in the pit and dog some shit? What we spectating over here, man?
Huh?
What we doing over here?
No, I'm racing videos.
What the fuck is you doing, man? Pull up, man. Oh, that's how you do it. Hey, calm the fuck down. Come on, bro. Let's hear this. Come on, bro, let's give this 6'4", bro.
SRT8.
Bro, show him what this 6'1" do. Oh, shit. Little 6'1" action, little 6'1". Damn, boy, you beautiful as hell.
This is my homeboy over there, bro. I just met him today, bro.
For real?
Yeah, that's my homeboy. I just met him today.
That's fake gold, bro. You got
It's
that?
real gold.
You got that from claw machine.
Mexicans don't wear fake gold,
My bad, my bad. I don't know what the fuck going on, man, but these motherfuckers
I don't fucking know, bro. This shit taking too long.
taking too long.
I'm about to cut through the grass.
So what the fuck is you
I know
listening
TV
to,
finna
bro?
glass this bitch. Come on.
That's copyright. I can't get in there.
Yo, fuck you.
Fuck you, buddy.
Fuck you.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
Come on, Jess. I need to be on cameraman, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Guys, I got the shittiest cameraman you could ever fucking have. I had to tell him to be my cameraman. He couldn't have just been my cameraman to be my cameraman. What the fuck is wrong with you? And my cameraman wanna hit me, okay. Yeah, this is my cameraman payroll. He's fucking fired. Hold on, let me see the camera. Oh, dirty sock. Oh, so it's currently 11:40. We was probably what?
You didn't roll that window up, can't see your shit.
We was what, 30 minutes late to the pit. We in line. I'm about to blow this motherfucking motor up. That's what I'm about to do.
Yo.
Oh my gosh, look at the camera, man. Let me see. Look at the fucking camera.
He's just standing there.
Well, that pit look as hell.
No, it's not. Maybe for your open dip, man.
Wow, man. Damn.
How you feeling?
Feeling great, feeling good.
Come on, bro. You my cameraman, bro. Feeling like I'm finna wreck that bitch.
This one?
I'm finna smack him on purpose.
Got all the tires in the back of that bitch.
Oh, bro.
I'm gonna fucking rip my back bumper off, bro.
What?
Take it off, bro.
What?
And destroy that motherfucker.
How you feeling, Copart?
Shut up, bitch.
Wow, man.
Feeling pretty good. Better slide.
Are you gonna be in the car?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. The fuck I ain't giving my seat up for one of y'all.
I'm getting in too.
Just stay in the car.
Austin,
She's being fucking.
She can get in the car with me. Porta potty.
I gotta be Sean's cameraman.
Sean, how you feeling? How you feeling?
I don't want you to be my cameraman.
How you feel, Jesse?
I got
Just be cameraman. Trying to get his tire out.
Trying to get this
You ready, what?
Are you ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you ready, Jesse?
Yep.
Jesse's not ready, Chad. Jesse's gonna die in the pit.
He's nervous.
Look at this man. He doesn't carry all the tires. Tire man. Yeah, that's you. What? Sean.
Why you telling me to get in this line?
What?
Why you telling me to get right here?
Oh.
Hey, I don't know if this shit's gonna slide.
What? I can't hear you.
I don't know if this shit's gonna slide.
Yours? Why? It should. It's wet outside too.
You ain't even gonna turn up?
Who?
Bet. You ain't gonna do shit.
Rollbacks on the wall. Bet.
Hey,
They meta glasses.
I wanna see rollbacks on the wall and all. Huh? I wanna see you rollbacking on the brick wall. I can do rollback.
It said on the brick wall. Yeah.
That bitch ain't fucking it up.
Hey, fuck you.
When you see me go up, bro, you gotta
Just get out? Okay.
I'm gonna give you some time.
I bet.
Like
That shit was good, bro. This bro's my new camera, man. That's your camera? This is my camera.
Don't get in this bitch. Hold on, wait. You can't drive, don't get in this bitch. Send the next one in. You guys having too much fun.
Like every time I see your ass, you getting drunk.
Yeah.
Always drinking. Is she an alcoholic?
No, we are. Everybody go to this fucking pit. Everybody go spin and shit. We'll spin the block. Show them how it's really done. No SRTJP. I'm just trying to. I'm nervous. Trying to show them how to do this shit. I showed you how to fucking slide for real.
Over here?
Yeah. Babe, tell the people what happened to my car.
I don't really know. He was sliding and it started smoking and then the belt broke. Broken!
Where's the belt at?
On the ground. Where? Over here.
not good.
No.
How are we gonna get home?
My camera's almost dead.
You fixed it.
We did fix it.